Gracias, gracias. So we're here doing a new mother visit, and I wanted to take you inside of their house to show you what the cooking situation here is with those young children. Walking into the house here, which is very similar to what you'd expect in this region. I wanted to specifically show you the stove, however. You can see that this is the cooking area. There's a table with some pots on top of it, and the stove is actually here. It's a wheel housing from a car filled with ashes. You can see that there's smoke on the wall, or black soot on the walls. So essentially, in this home where those children live, the smoke just rises to the ceiling and fills up the house whenever they cook. In the winter, they'll use this during cooler nights for heat as well. It's a dangerous situation. Unfortunately, this family has not yet received a smokeless stove from the Mother's Wish Foundation.